The preparation of Prime Day starts like 1 or 2 months ahead of the event itself.
Hi, my name is Kapil Damija.
Hi, I'm Sayog Jain.
Hi, I'm Sharat.
Hi, I'm Parisha Goenka.
Three most important things are estimating and dispatching the logistics in time. Then second is that our advertising up to mark. And thirdly, our deal setup should be perfect.
As we get closer to the Prime Day, it takes much more time to inward the inventory into the warehouses.
Don't leave anything till too late. Prime Day is an event wherein everything has to be done beforehand.
So for me, Prime Day is sales growth.
Opportunity.
Tips for the Prime Day is expect more, plan aggressively, and keep chasing your Amazon account managers.
One advice, read Amazon's core leadership principles and try to align themselves as much as possible.
Never ignore the customer feedback and do not induce high price variation on your listing.